appear for competitive exams, government service exams, the college difficult entrance exams, whether it's IAS, PCS or the MCAT, or getting into the IIT, or getting into the law exams, or trying to get into the professional MBA, any kind of exam, is there a way that you can clear it? Hi everyone, this is Jaya Karamchandani and I am here today sharing with you some amazing practical and powerful tips that will increase your chances of clearing that exam which you are trying to crack for so long. So if you have not subscribed to my episode, please go ahead and share and give it a like as well, so you never miss an episode. So cracking an exam, what is the deal? Anytime you're appearing for an exam, it is not just something what you're writing, it is the replica of what you feel. Do you have a reason why you want to do that? Was there the hardships that you saw early on in your life and you decided you got to clear it? If you have a reason, then remind yourself. That will not let you celebrities, sports stars or the movie stars or the politicians or even entrepreneurs. They had a reason that they got innovative and created something unique for the world. Find that reason. That is what is your passion. Once you have that reason, don't let it sleep. Work on it. The problems are there. The big winnings don't come by just working physically hard. The big winnings come by working on your mindset. If you focus on why you are doing it and feel that feeling of win, then you are suddenly changing your energies that will get you the win. If you are ready, if you have that reason, then I'm going to share with you what you can do. So wherever you study, if you are in the college, if you're in the dorm or the hostel, or it's your room, wherever you study, let's say this is the bed, this is the table. Tell me which is the direction you face when you study. And check from the compass west, southwest. Where is it? The area that you sit on that side, where is west, southwest? If you want to clear those exams, in the west, southwest, you can keep one of the books of the exams you're preparing for and you want to pass, or take a picture and write your name on it in red or green color pen and stick on the west side, southwest wall. You can keep it hidden, that's well as well. Second, the exams you want to clear and pass, check where is the west. Get a silver frame, just silver, and take a paper and write with red or green color ink and stick your picture there and write, I have, present perfect tense, I have cleared, let's say IAS exams, I have cleared the LSAT. Whatever is that you want, write and leave this frame with your picture and this statement of yours in the west wall, on the west wall. Now west is the direction that fulfills your wishes and helps in materialization of that. It helps manifest faster, and that is the west. Comment below and let me know if you found the west, southwest or west and what have you kept there. Now this is the area that you stay in. You have control on that area and stick that book in it. It will help you remember more. And remember, it's the mindset that will help you clear more. If you are investing time in memorizing, you worked hard, you attempted many times, but you haven't cleared. You know why? Be honest, comment and tell me. You would say, I knew I won't clear. I knew I won't pass. If you were working hard and all the way you're affirming inside, I won't pass, I won't clear. That's what you got. Trust when you put on the west wall this silver frame with your picture and your affirmation in present perfect tense. And then let it go. The reason you have to let it go, then let the universe do its magic. It's like when you plant a seed, you're taking care of it, and then you're standing right above and you're waiting. Why the seed didn't sprout? A day passed by, 2 days, a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. You're like, seed didn't sprout. Honey, it takes time. And you worked every day, and towards the end when it was about to sprout, you let it go. So your affirmations, your mind will help you get it. The trick is, whatever you want, feel you have it before you get it. How else do you think these world-class sports players win the game? Because they have been trained physically? Well, yes, But that is needed. They have been trained, their mindset have been trained to feel it, embrace it, be in that zone that yes, you won before they actually win. They feel it so real that when they are actually playing, they already know they have won the game. What do you think? Those who run for politics, they doubt. If you doubt, that's what you get. You win before you get onto that field. You win, you pass before you appear for that exam. And that is the magic. If you have the reason, if you have taken care of West, Southwest, now if you have put on the West, now I'm going to help you with this tip. The pen that you use to write your notes, don't ever share with anyone. The pen holds your energies. If someone needs, you say, here you go. If you run out of the ink, you can throw, but don't share your pen. It holds your energies. It has all your vibrations in it, and suddenly you pass. It's like you stood in the line for the lottery and someone in the back told you, hey, you know what? You are ahead. There's a long line. Why? This is my money. Buy a lotto for me. You had bought for yourself. He said, yeah, don't worry. I'll take that. I'll take another one. Here you go. What you just now did? You gave your jackpot to someone else. It's not the same money. It's the exchange of your energy, which you had chance to win. You gave it to somebody else. This is exactly your pen. Don't share your pen with anyone. You lose your chance of winning. When you write, when you use, that pen holds your energy. It's like your mom's food. Even if you're trying to replicate the recipe, same ingredients exactly measured, you don't feel that flavor. It's not the ingredients are different. It's mom's hand, the energy of her hand. Of course there is love, but the energy from her hand. The food tastes amazing. You crave for that food. Same thing, your pen holds your energy. Don't let it go waste just by giving it to someone. Now, if you have a reason, you enjoyed and worked very hard, that work that you're trying to accomplish here. Now switch words. Switch words bypasses your mindset, the conscious mind, and the subconscious starts believing in it. This is where you are headed. So what you got to do is for this one, 28 times in the morning, 28 times in the evening, chant every day and trust, chant and let it go. Believe that universe is taking care of that seed. Your faith and vibration will manifest. Reach first, rank divine. Reach first, rank divine. This is a switch word. Chant 28 times in the morning, 28 times in the evening. This is going to help your subconscious program it, believe in it. This does magic. These directions and your passion and your hard work, you have to believe in it, and switch word will all tie it together. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Do give me a share and a like as well, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to watch this episode in Hindi, I have left the link in the description. And if you're interested in learning the numerology from me in depth, we are currently accepting applications for the pre-launch. The link is in the description. And any questions, feel free to comment. Until next